Hare Krishna. Hope you are doing well. Let's get started with this question, which involves conditional expectations, and it's going to be simple actually. We'll see. So, here it's very important to be grounded on the theory of conditional expectation under an event. So, this thing is equal to this. Essentially, it's something similar to what we have seen in conditional probability also, right? Probability A given B is equal to probability A intersection B divided by probability B. It's something simple over here. And now it's something which we can deal with more easily. And I want you guys to build this intuition that when you have this kind of thing, this expectation of the variable intersecting with an event associated with that variable, you can write it like this. So this thing is the PDF and this thing is the function which is associated over here. So when you have certain events, you can write them as functions using the indicator function, because here it's essentially saying that x has to be less than or equal to half, and it means that whenever x is more than that, the thing will not be considered, it will be zero. So you can write it like this, and this will modify your limits accordingly, and after that it's plain integration. So this was something I wanted you guys to take a close look at. And yeah, just again, the pitfall of this video is there is no meaningful pitfall that could be presented. So I just wrote, do that last calculation with attention. You don't have to find this thing. You have to multiply that by 80. That will give you the answer. Yeah. Hare Krishna. And continuing our journey with what Krishna has to say to Arjun and the students for the competitive exam part, it's this. It's a famous verse. Maybe some would say it's the most famous verse of the Bhagavad Gita, that you have the right to perform your prescribed duty, but not to the results or the fruits of action that come as a consequence of your duty. So the crux is this: do not consider yourself the cause of the results of your activities. It's a very logical thing, honestly. There are so many variables in the equation, not just our own endeavor and desires. There are desires of other people, there is the environmental constraint, whatnot. So many minute variables. So even if you are succeeding at some point, or it feels like you are winning, don't be very proud and attribute that to your own efforts. Have this logical and humble understanding that there are a lot of things at play beyond your control that are also factoring into this outcome. So you can't take 100% credit of your success. The good thing about this rationale is you can't take 100% credit for your failure also. So in the face of failure, we stand with um, this soothing balm that it's okay. There are some things beyond our effort as well. So we are not 100% to be blamed. And it's a very subtle thing, but it's a very powerful thing to be convinced that you are not 100% to be blamed for your failure. It lifts a massive burden off your shoulders. Maybe you already know what I'm talking about. And Krishna also ends with this cautionary statement that, guys, don't not do your duty just because, okay, it's not all about me, it's not all on me, let me just leave it. No, don't give that up as well. So be attached to doing your duty without this expectation angle of the result. It will be a more peaceful life. That's what he has to say. And we are coming to the crux of what Krishna has to say in the next video. So stay tuned. Take care. Hare Krishna.